Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe. Long time I don't give you something on the menu, guys, but you know what I mean? I'm always keep updated with the fans. You know, I did the video talking about the 9,000 subscriber, which is growing up now. Mwah. Thank you so much. I love you all. Stay tuned. Just keep tuning with Chef Ricardo. We are here to give you the best recipe in the world. Anyway, I'm going to make you a simple salad this evening. I'm always doing salad and juice. And I'm going to give you a lovely salad this evening. So hopefully you will love the recipe and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right, stay tuned in with me and the team. Thank you. This one, guys. So basically, I got some mixed leaf right here. And I want to give you guys a lovely salad. And I'm going to be giving you something very quickly. Simple recipe where you guys can simple make at home. All right, we're not going to be into no long details with it. We're going to go straight to the point. First of all, we're going to pop some dried chili. Because I like dry chili, and that's the first thing which I'm going to pop on it, because dry chili bring in a lovely flavor to the salad. We're going to crack some pepper. Lovely and nice. So we got that is just a simple mixed leaf salad where you can go to the supermarket and brought it and come home and do whatever you like to do at home. Anyway, I have some tomato which I'm going to cut up and put straight inside of it. No time to waste, because it's a very simple salad. And you guys definitely can make this at home. You know, when I'm doing big bowl of salad, this is what I normally do. I must say to you, don't get me wrong, salad is very, very good for us. And I will say to any one of you guys that, you know what I mean, if you're at home and you want to do some lovely salad, this come in really handy and nice. All right, so please stay in tune with me. And you know what I mean, 100%, I will give you your recipe for salad. You know what I mean, I'm always doing all different kind of salad. At the moment, I'm just removing the skin, the dry bits off of a red onion, which I want to use on it, because using red onion and salad bring in a lovely flavor, guys. If you don't know that, I'm telling you, you need to try that one at home. All right, so I'm just cutting up some red onion, and I'm cutting up a medium size red onion right here. Second thing, we're gonna put on some cucumber. Lovely. So that's the cucumber which I'm gonna be using on it. That's lovely and nice. Second thing, we got some avocado. Just gonna check if my avocado is very good, because sometimes we brought avocado at the shop and then not good. Lovely. This one is not too bad, you know. But I must say to you, to my fans, then be careful of how you do your avocado at home, because sometimes a lot of we using avocado at home and we don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna show you how you do your avocado. All right, get a table knife, cut it down like this, and cut it into pieces like that. Don't use a sharp knife, use a spoon. Simple. Remove out it just like this. You know what I mean? As I say, look at that. Sometimes the avocado do not good, so you have to be careful of when you're buying avocado at the shop. All right, guys. All right, so look at that. Simple. Nice and lovely. So we're gonna simply scrape out the avocado just like that, straight inside of it. Don't get me wrong, when you're doing your avocado, a lot of people use sharp knife. It is wrong to use a sharp knife when you're doing avocado, because you can cut yourself, guys, honestly. And if you cut yourself, it's not gonna be nice. So please just be careful of when you're using your knife at home. All right, so right now I'm just cutting up some spring onion to add to it. And don't get me wrong, avocado is really lovely. And now what I'm gonna do is just pop some olive oil. All right, roughly about a tablespoon of olive oil straight inside of it, and a little bit more chili, and also a little bit more pepper. Lovely. That's bringing a lovely flavor to it and a nice texture. And I say to you guys, remember, one thing I can say to you, when you're making this kind of salad, you have to put a little bit of lemon juice. Not too much, just a tiny bit. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it also. All right. Don't get me wrong, you know what I mean? If you have anything like meat at home, you can always use meat. So what I'm gonna do is fold in the avocado, everything into the salad. Olive oil, everything. It's gonna just come on lovely and nice. All right. So what you're gonna do next is get some and simply share it on a nice, lovely plate of salad like this in the kitchen. Wow, can't go wrong. This is amazing. This is amazing. So what you want to do is simply, if you have any meat at home, you know what I mean, like some ham. Normally what I normally do, I normally serve this with some ham. You know, fold it and just pop in the ham inside of it, and that's come out lovely and really nice. Look at that, really lovely and nice. So if you're at home and you want to do something fantastic, this come in really handy for you guys, honestly. And you know what I mean, as I said, please share this with your friend them and tell them about my recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always giving you the best recipe in the world, and I'm always coming with more recipe. No matter what happens, guys, you know what I mean, that's me. I always give you the best of the best. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for tuning into Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from me and the team. And don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell, because it's very important for you guys to click in the bell. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye.